So, hey everyone, this is Vinny from SNS Institutions. So, we are going to look into the topic called the impact of user research on successful product development. So, we'll cover what user research is, how it fits into product development, and real world examples of its impact. Let's start. So here's what we'll explore today. First, we'll define user research and why it matters. Then we'll look at how to integrate into product development. Finally, we'll check out case studies and best practices to see it in action. So let us jump into the first session. Understanding user research and why it is important. User research is a backbone of great product design. So let us break it down. What is user research? User research is all about studying your target users to understand their behavior, needs, and motivations. It is like getting a roadmap to what your user really wants. So which guides the entire product design process. So why it matters? Why is this so important? User research ensures your product align with what user expects. So it reduces the risk of building something nobody wants to boost and nobody want to boost user satisfactions. So think of it as a secret sauce for creating products that hits the mark. So types of user research, we do have qualitative research and quantitative research. So there are two main types. The qualitative research like interview or focus group dives or focus groups dives deep into user experience and preferences. For example, you might learn why user finds an app frustrating. Okay, quantitative research, on the other hand, uses data like survey or analytics to spot trends and validate idea and hard numbers. So by combining these both approach, you get a full picture of your users setting the stage for better products. So yes, it is integrating user research and product development. Now, let us talk about how user research fits into the uh, product development process. It is not just one-time thing. It is woven into every stages. Role in concept validation. Early on, user research helps validate your ideas before you invest time and money. You can test whether your concept resonate with users. This data builds approach, reduces risk, and ensures you are building something people need. So user-centric design principles, user research drives user-centric designs, where the focus is on meeting user needed. By involving user early and often, you create products that are intuitive and satisfying to use. Gathering feedbacks and gathering feedbacks on prototypes. So in the testing phases, user research shines again. You can show your you can show user prototypes, early version of your product, and get feedbacks on what works, doesn't. This helps you fine-tune functionally and usability before the big launch. Iterative testing and improvement. Finally, iterative testing keeps the process going. You collect feedbacks, make tweaks, and test again. This cycle of improvement ensures your product gets better with every iteration perfectly aligned with your user needs. So user research makes development smarter and more focused, saving time and resources. So case study and best practice. Let's look at how user research works in real world and some tips for doing it right. So company A nailed user research by embedding into a process. By listening to user feedback, they boosted customer satisfaction and saw 20% increase in user retention. Their approach shows how powerful user insights can be. So company B used qualitative research to uncover user pain points before to lead to redesign for their services, resulting in a massive 30% jump in market share in their 1 year. So that is the kind of impact research can have. So yes, in all these things, we understood how user research is important for us. I hope you'd have got some thoughts and ideas about it. Thank you so much.